So in this question 25b, they are testing us solving rational inequalities. So we have to follow our rules in rational inequalities. And they mention here they want their solution set. So we must give the answer in set notation. First of all, for these questions, our rules in solving rational inequalities is we cannot multiply the denominator to the right hand side. So the only way we can do here is move it to the left hand side. And we get it to the same denominator, where the denominator is x minus 3. So for this part, we are going to time with x minus 3. So for rational inequalities, we must simplify our denominator. We must simplify our numerator. So denominator, nothing have simplified here. So we expand the part. It is equal to x squared. Then negative 3x plus 4x, it will be positive x minus 12. Continue in this simplify, we get a quadratic here. So negative x squared, and then this negative x with negative x, we get negative 2x. Then you can see negative, negative, positive 12 minus 4, we get positive 8. So we haven't come to the simplified form. For rational inequalities, we must simplify until the quadratic also in factorized form. That is what we mean in simplified form. For our quadratic in negative, it is hardly for us to do factorization, so I divide it by negative 1 in order to get the quadratic in positive. So when I divide the quadratic by negative 1, the sign will change. Then only I managed to factorize the quadratic. So this will be x minus 2, then x plus 4. So that will be our simplest form, our rational inequalities before we start doing our positive number line. So after this, we will start our positive number line. So positive number line will let all the factors. So that's why when you're making quadratic here, you have to factorize it before you're doing your positive number line. So this is the simplest form that we mean here. Okay, so our factor here we have x minus 2, let it positive. Another factor x plus 4, let it positive, greater than 0. And denominator don't take equals to 0 because denominator cannot equals to 0. So we simplify the number line here. This will be x greater equals to 2, x greater equals to negative 4, and x greater than 3. We have 3 points, means we will have 4 regions. 1, 2, 3 points. Arrange our point in order, negative 4, 2, 3. So equals to 4, then circle, greater than, drag to the right hand side. Wherever the region is got line, it is positive sign. Don't have line, negative sign. So we are doing one by one. So for 2 equal, greater than, so positive, positive. So this one no have line, doesn't have line, so negative sign. Lastly, 3 not equal, so empty circle, drag to the right hand side because greater than. Then we come out the conclusion here. So the conclusion here will become negative, positive, negative, positive. So which part we are going to take it as our answer, we will refer to the simplified form here. The rational inequalities have to be taken less than 0. So less than 0 means less than equal 0 means negative. So we are going to select this region as our answer and put in set notation form. So this region answer x is less than equals to -4. Continue, another part of answer 2 is less than equals the region and less than 3. You can be careful here. When you have 10 circle means it is equal. 10 circle equal. For 3 here, it doesn't have 10 circle, so we cannot take it equal. So that will be our final answer. So what is important concept here you must know? Firstly, it will be when you're solving rational inequalities, you must move your thing to the left hand side. Cannot do cross multiply. Then we have to get SAM to the denominator. So this is our concept, how we get SAM to the denominator and simplify our answer into the simplest form. We should get quadratic first, and this is our simplified form. And then the method to solve our rational inequalities is using positive number line. So this is a drawing of positive number line and select the correct region. So to bring us to the answer here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So another marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yes, here we have another marks for our building our quadratic. So first move to the left hand side, second we equal the denominator, then we simplify our quadratic, and our quadratic have to become the positive quadratic in order to factorize. And this is our simplest form, yes. Then we draw our number line correctly and select the region.